Oh, g'day. I'm Trevor. See, you found my fishing spot. Wasn't that much of a secret after all. GoPro, start record. Oh, and he's on. Live herring on this one. Oh, and it's a jumping queenfish. Secret spot again. One that everybody knows. First thing in the morning, coming onto low tide. Awesome. I'll settle. Wide gap hook, done its job. Corner of the mouth. And nice little queenfish. Ah, he's a bit over. $6.50 for that one. Beautiful queenfish. Let him go. And off he goes, straight down to the bottom. Bloody awesome. On again. Live herring again. 20-pound line. I've got 20-pound fluoro on the end of this to a wide gap hook. Old ugly stick. Love me ugly sticks. Can't break them. Another queenie by the look of it. Oh, he's not finished yet. Another queenfish, beautiful. You don't be putting your fingers in these ones' mouths, they've got teeth. Thought I'd come out to in the middle, secret spot for a bit of fun. Love catching the queenies and GTs. They're a beautiful looking fish, very streamlined. And these are going 550, bit smaller than the last one. They're still a bloody good fight though. And off you go, fella. There he goes. Awesome. Got him this time. Yes, and on again. Another live herring. Bit of a fighter this one. Doesn't want to come in. Another queenfish. Always been the spot for queenies here. Oh. Another nice queenie. Give him quick measure. Yeah, he's around the 600, 620. And we'll let him go too. And off he goes. A little bit sluggish, but he's all right. And we're off again. Same rod, live herring again. I'd say it'd be another queenie. Oh no, yep, little one. And he let go. salted mullet. Nice bream. A very nice bream. Feels really chunky. He's heading 28. 29, that one. That is a very nice bream for the start of the day. Just moved this spot. Caught 3 queenies over the other one. And off he goes. Salted pilchard. Out the back. Doesn't feel that big. Found when you salt the pilchards up, they toughen them up. Little bream. I actually caught him underneath. Well, that's different. Whoop! I'll get him. And off he goes. And a little bit of salted mullet. Gone back to my little 10-pound line. More fun. Feels like a cod. Fairly large cod by the feel of it. But I reckon they open their mouth to make themselves drag more, so they feel bigger. And a nice cod. Hardly even hooked him. It's lucky to catch that one. And just want a quick measure. He's 35, not quite legal. 38's legal size. They are a beautiful fish though. Gold spot estuary cod. And we'll let him go. There he goes, water as clear as. And seems to be on again. Salted mullet again. Seems to do the trick every time. Cod again by the feel of it. Oh no, bream this one. So, wide gap hook still in the job. Beautiful little fish. Yeah, he's just on legal. And off he goes. dead herring, a little bit of salted squid. Another nice bream. And he's 26, 27, yeah, 26. He's a legal size bream. He's beautiful fish. On the little 10-pound line again, just caught the other one. This one was going off and the other one's going off again too. Another nice little yellowfin. And off it goes. If you like what you see, please subscribe, click the bell for notifications and share if you like. You have a good day.